Getting the best advice makes all the difference in the world. I'm in the kitchen today broadcasting live for you, and I got with me one of my baking pans here for pies. Because you know, I always like to relate that story about baking pies and how that's kind of like my hobby. And how did I get really good at it? I got advice. Not for anybody can bake a pie from a book, or you go online and you look at the recipes. But when you want to make the pie the best, you got to get the advice of experts who know how to do it. And it's the same in your life, in the career, and what you're doing. You know, in the pie, I went to my mother-in-law who showed me all the tricks. Not those tricks aren't in the pie recipe. Those tricks are things that people know. And the same thing in your life and your business. You gotta look to those people who can show you those little things that make all the difference in your life. So get some help from the right people and watch what happens. This is 2019. Get that person, that mentor, that coach, that someone, and watch what happens to your life. Because when you have the recipe, the right recipe, and the right, what I call them, tricks, information, background, keys, nothing can stop you. Hey, have a great day. Hey, join us at noon today as we bring you a live training. Don't forget, and check us out at noon today because we got a new course available to you as well. This is Coach Manny saying, have a great day, have a great weekend, and I'll catch you later.